delivering your stand-up, when you deliver your stand-up, it's almost like film acting. It really is. I'm not trying to kiss your ass. It's like film acting.
What film?
It's your film, Bill.
Revenge of the Nerds Part 3?
Well, in any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's not.
How did that go?
Not well. Not well. Jews aren't very athletic. I know you'll get letters that they are, but we're not.
Yeah, I woke up.
Do you play sports?
Yeah, look at your boy. Your boy looks. I don't know if this is supposed to be an intellectual show or comedic show. Yeah, your boy look freaking sexy today, boy. Check your boy out.
I'll never forget one of your funniest lines was we were taking a picture, and there's a group of us assembled to take a picture for the film festival.
Yeah.
And you stepped in and you said, and you were saying,
This knows things. This has been broken in boxing many times.
And see, I got a massive aquarium.
Catering card. Remember to
Yeah. Well, you got.
Have you ever
Have a good life. You know, honey.
Extrasensory perception.
Here I go.
No.
I got into composing and arranging and
You ready to...
It's my show.
killing it, boy, killing it.